So this morning I woke up and it was at 5 a.m. in the morning because, of course, this celebration, this tradition starts super early. I can remember at 5 a.m. hearing the fireworks. The priests call the people to the churches with fireworks. Kind of made me remember a little joke that I quite enjoy, which is about a taxi driver. And of course, he being a driver, you know, we're all drivers here. A taxi driver lands up in heaven and, you know, he gets up to the pearly gates and, you know, he's waiting in line and whatever, and there's St. Peter. And, you know, St. Peter's signing people off, and, you know, straight after the taxi driver arrives a priest, you know, and they both in the line. Taxi driver gets there and St. Peter's like, oh, welcome, you know, please come in, step inside, you know, and he just opens the gate, the guy walks in. And the priest next, and he's got this big smile on his face and he's like, yeah, cool, like I've arrived, you know, and St. Peter's looking and he's looking through the papers and he's like, hold on 1 second, you know, and he's checking it out. And, is there a problem here or something? He's like, no, just 1 second, we just check, making sure all the paperwork is all right, you know, and he's like looking at it, and then he goes into the back door, you know, and he comes out and he's like, we're gonna have to put you in the waiting area, you know, because we're just making sure that we've got the right paperwork and whatever. And this priest is like, hold on, whoa. This guy in front of me was a taxi driver and he just like, you know, went in straight like that. And I'm a priest and I'm, you know, a man of God, and you are telling me that, you know, that you still got paperwork to check. I mean, just open the door, let me in, you know? And he goes, well, that taxi driver had more people praying in his taxi than you had in your church. So just give me a second here while we organize everything. So, oh, sorry, it's just kidding. But anyway, yeah, let's go to church. Yeah. What's up everybody, welcome to another episode of the greatest vlog in the world. We're whispering because we're at the church. My name is Jeff, your favorite tour guide in Madeira, and today we are exploring some perhaps not so well known Madeiran Christmas traditions, and we're in Nuns Valley in Freitas, and it's not so cold. We're gonna get some food, we're gonna get some hot chocolates, some cacao. Hey babe? Yeah. Yummy. You ready? The starter, just for us. You have to wait. For the boys. For the boys, okay? Cheek. One of the best pork and wine sandwiches I've had. I think this makes up for waking up and driving fast to get to Cujal, though. Not well at all. Really good. After ponche comes coffee. Huh? That's the logical way to do things, right? So yeah, we're gonna get a coffee, we're gonna get out there, and then I'm gonna explain to you what's going on here before you go like, what the hell? Like first he starts with a joke and now it's like drinking at 5 a.m. It's getting colder, my brain's melting. So here we go, we're gonna try and explain to you what we're doing here. We are at Nuns Valley and we are at one of the Missas do Parto. So a Missa do Parto is translated directly into the birth mass. All right, mass being the church service, the birth mass because it represents the birth of Christ. So for 9 days before Christmas, they do a church service very early in the morning, usually at 6 a.m. However, here at Nuns Valley, this is one of the churches that's very well known for this tradition. These guys, yeah, they actually start at 5:30, right? Usually it's 6 a.m. for a birth mass, and the reason why they do it earlier is so that they can go to work afterwards, right? So I don't know if it's supposed to be a birth hour thing, I don't know, but that's the theory. You get to church and then you go to work. We came for the festa, which is what I used to always do when I used to go to church on my own independent decision, is going for the festa. So what they usually do, like you saw before, they're singing and dancing, and sometimes there's people sharing food and drinks like liqueurs and biscuits and cakes and these kinds of things. So a little bit disappointed to see that there wasn't a whole lot of that stuff around, but we had to go to the Tashka, but it was still awesome, still felt like Christmas, just like we did last year. So we got all these old Christmas videos from last year that were awesome, and we went to Kamasha last year. This year it was Nuns Valley. So yeah, that's that whole thing. I hope that made sense to you. Let's go, let's do it. Maybe another coffee, huh? Coffee. Let's get coffee. The shortest nuns in the world.
You feel like a nun?
I feel like the shortest nun in the world. Yeah. So huge fail. Huge fail. The presapio only opens tomorrow. The nativity set opens tomorrow. And tomorrow we all have jobs to do. So we're going to film something else for you guys today. So all you guys need to do is just follow me. Let's go. Let's go. This is the presapio of São Gonçalo. So presapio is this over here. This is a nativity set, and everyone in Madeira is quite crazy for the nativity sets, for the presapios. So we're expecting something a little bit bigger. So I wanted to show you guys the presapio from Nuns Valley, but that only opens tomorrow, and the one in São Roque, which is another big one, which is in Funchal, only opens at 3 p.m. This is presapio, and you know, if you see our old videos, you can see more presapios. And I really don't know what we're gonna do next. Let's make a quick plan, all right, and find out how we're gonna, you know, say Merry Christmas to all of you and announce what's coming up next. Oh, that's nice. It's just like, as soon as it touches the throat, you know, it's like, hey, what happened? So we're deciding on how to end the video. I was like, we're gonna end it now, and everyone's like, no, I don't know. You guys, you gotta come up with some ideas here, people. All right? We're looking for results. Dream to you guys. Cheers to results. Forgot my letter. Maybe I'll come back later and just drop it in. For lots of happy Jeep Tour customers next year. If, in case you don't know, we do offer the best tours in the world that hit the road Madeira. And if you're coming this Christmas, it's peak season. So if you're gonna be arriving anytime from next week, so from like the 16th to the 18th, actually it's the 16th today already. So if you're arriving anytime soon and staying until about the 8th of January, you wanna really book your tour, your stay, your hotel, your restaurant, your accommodation, everything as fast as possible, because things fill up. We're already filled up for a couple of dates across the festive season, so make sure to do that. We're now back in Funchal, and we're in the center of Funchal. We are at the municipal square, the Praça do Município, and they've created another little Christmas market over here, which I believe what it looks like, it's more for the kids. I really like what they've done here with the fountain. I'm no flower expert, but I believe this is poinsettia. In Portuguese, it's Manhãs de Páscoa, which doesn't make much sense because it's talking about Easter mornings. If you translate, Manhãs de Páscoa is Easter morning, but this is very much a Christmas tree, Christmas flower, leaf thing. So that's what this is, and it looks really awesome, and we go wild with these. All right, it's time for me to relax a little bit and actually get to enjoy Christmas. By the time you guys see this video, it'll be Christmas weekend coming. So basically just to say a big thank you to everybody who has supported this channel, who's watched our videos, who's come out with us on tour. Thank you to all of you, and a massive Merry Christmas from everybody here at the Hit the Road family. I hope you all enjoy the festive season, and I will see you guys in next week's video where we're going to be giving away our little Christmas gift. We're giving away a vacation in Madeira to all of our Patreon fans, or to one of our Patreon fans. So stay tuned for the next video, and until then, André,
Let's hit the road.
let's hit the road.
Are you the real Father Christmas?
I'm the real Father Christmas, the best Father Christmas in the world.
I mean, giving away
Free vacations into Madeira. Hell yeah. I mean, who does that, eh? Who does that?
Only Jeff.
Only Jeff. To represent we're gonna do the whole thing. So it's time to leave. We're busy making a plan. As you can see there, just busy checking everything. Are you on Instagram? I thought let's get coffee. I want to sleep.
In doubt, resort to alcohol.
Yes. Or we could just go and get poncha and say goodbye.
Or ginger.
Yeah, or ginger, yeah. Should we do that? Let's go get a ginger and say goodbye to you guys. You know what? Why are we overcomplicating things? You know, we've already woken up at 5 a.m. with the bang, bang, bangs. Mandarin, poncha, and ginger is definitely what you want to drink. Christmas.